Customize learners' learning paths by attaching release conditions that learners must satisfy before they can access a quiz. This tutorial shows how to attach a release condition to a quiz. From Manage Quizzes, select the quiz to which you want to attach the release condition. And click the Restrictions tab. In the Additional Release Conditions section, you can attach an existing release condition or create and attach a new release condition. You can also remove one or all attached release conditions. For this example, we will create and attach a release condition. To create your new release condition, set the condition type and details. Click the Select Condition Type menu and select the desired condition from the menu. For this example, we want to release the quiz to learners when they complete a checklist item. In the Condition Details section, select the checklist that is associated with the condition. Click Select Checklist and select the checklist that you want to associate with the release condition. For this example, we will select Activity Checklist, which contains a list of activities that must be completed throughout the course. You can now further specify your condition. Click Select Checklist to specify the checklist item that you will associate with the condition. For this example, select What makes Aurora. Once you've applied the release condition, learners must complete this item before they can view the auroral quiz. When you are satisfied with the release condition, click Create. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Attach a release condition to a quiz to help learners sufficiently prepare for the assessment.